So last month we saw weaker global markets, and this impacted the portfolio performance. But within that, we also saw an election result which was quite positive at the end of the month. We saw a bit of a rally in the portfolio, and that was led by housing-related companies where we've elected to take early positions in that space. Also, obviously, the regulatory environment would be less threatening for some companies. So we saw a big bounce in mortgage choice. Obviously, the Hayne Royal Commission was looking to eliminate commissions, and the Liberal Party was supportive of commissions. So mortgage choice bounced, I think, around 60% last month and was one of our key contributors to performance last month. The other companies that rallied strongly were retailers, where there was a big bounce just on the election relief. So it was a bounce towards the end of the month, but tougher markets globally, which impacted overall performance. With the election, we also saw that the franking credit issue was alleviated, and that benefited some of the companies that we own. One in particular is Class. So Class is an SMSF administrator. It provides software to that market. Obviously, franking credit elimination for people in pension phase would have been quite negative for the SMSF market. And now that pressure point has been alleviated, we've seen a bounce in Class recently. So that company is performing better. We think regulatory certainty will be better for that company and for that part of the industry. So we think it was a very positive outcome for our portfolio and for that position in particular. The other dynamic we're seeing at the moment is takeover activity, and we saw that with GBST a couple of months ago where a bigger player attempted to take them out. That might go hostile where you see that company trying to buy that business. But the other dynamic at play is that private equity has raised significant capital. Private equity won't sit on cash forever. They'll start buying companies. And as we've seen in this market, you've seen bifurcation in the market where you've got very expensive companies and very cheap companies. We believe the cheap companies will fall prey to the private equity businesses. So there's going to be a lot of takeover activity. We think our portfolio will benefit from that going forward. Thank you for your time. For more insights, please visit our website, spheria.com.au.